Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna start a pre-trip inspection inside of the cab. First of all, you have to check the seat belt.
Okay.
It's a mounting secure, no missing screw, no cut, no rip, no fray. Lock latch should be on and off, working properly. Then I have seat belt on. All windows, no crack, no damage, clean. All mirrors should be properly adjusted to you, no crack, no damage, clean. Windshield, no crack, no damage, clean. No illegal stickers. Wiper arm securely mounted, no physical damage, and the wiper blade properly attached to the windshield, no torn. Then we have to check ABS light indicator on the dashboard. We have to turn ignition on. ABS on, should be off. Next we have to check the wipers with the washer fluid. You have to press the switch, make sure it's working properly. Okay, here. Then we have to check the turn signal indicators. Right, left, four-way flasher lights is working properly. Turn the headlights on, and the high beam, which is indicate the blue color, is working properly. Next we have to check defroster and the heater system. You turn to combined position, turn the heat on, turn the fan on. Make sure the air blowing in the top, which is defroster, working properly. Air blowing in the bottom, which the heat of the legs, is working properly. Next we have to check emergency equipment. We have fire extinguisher properly secured to the floor and fully charged, up to date. 3 reflective triangles and the red box properly secured to the floor. Spare electrical fuses is over here. Next you have to demonstrate safety start. Make sure the parking brake is applied position, gear shift in the neutral, depress the clutch, start the engine on, and slowly release the clutch. The next step, we have to check the governor. We have to drop the air pressure until to 90 psi, and then we have to build up air pressure up to 120 psi. Make sure the governor is gonna cut off the air in the system. Alright, governor working properly when the system is fully charged, 120 psi. The next test, we have to check air brake leaking system. Turn engine off, turn ignition on, press and hold the brake, and release parking brake truck and trailer. You have to wait when the air pressure stabilized. Then we have to count exactly 1 minute. You have to use your watch or stopwatch from the cell phone. Minute is passed. You have to say no loss more than 4 psi per minute, no leaking.
4 psi per minute.
4 minutes, yeah. The next test, you have to check the low air warning devices. Your fanning brake pedal until to 60 psi. Buzzer signal and red lights should be on. System is working properly. The next test, you have to check emergency spring brake. Continue to fanning brake pedal between 40 to 20 psi. The two knobs should be automatically pops out. System is working properly. Now we have to build up air pressure up to 120 psi to check parking brake, truck and trailer. You press the clutch, start, and slowly release. Press accelerator. buzzer signal should be off. Buzzer is off. Now we have to check the steering wheel, free play no more than 10 degrees. City horn working properly. Highway horn is working properly. Now we have to check the oil gauges. Water temperature gauge. Normal operating range, no any warning signals. Oil pressure gauge. Normal operating range, no any warning signals. RPM gauge. It's working properly. Speedometer, you will check when you check the service brake. Voltmeter gauge, normal operating range, bless you,
Sorry.
between 12 to 14, we have around 14 volts. Fuel gauge indicates how many fuel we have in the fuel tank. Air brake gauges, we have primary and the secondary. Normal operating range, 120 psi. Press accelerator, raise RPM, and wait when the system is fully charged. Alright, system is fully charged. Now we have to check the parking brake of the tractor. You press the clutch, put in the lower gear, and release parking brake of the trailer. Try to move forward. Vehicle is not moving. Parking brake of the tractor is working properly. Now I have to apply the trailer and release parking brake of the tractor. Try to move forward. Vehicle is not moving. Parking brake of the trailer is working properly. Next, we have to check the hand valve of the trailer, and release parking brake of the trailer. Try to move forward. Vehicle is not moving. Hand valve is working properly. Before to go into service brake 50 feet, we have to build up air pressure again up to 120 psi. Parking brake, neutral, release, build up. Fully charged. Now we have to check the service brake 50 feet. You press, hold, put it in low gear, release, and just move forward. Speedometer working properly 5 miles per hour. Then you have to press gently with the brakes. Make sure the truck is not rolling either side. Service brake is working properly. Put it in neutral, parking brake, and you're ready for the next step.